Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup easily. First, select a variety of fresh vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions. Wash and chop them into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This ensures everything cooks evenly. Also, prepare your vegetable broth, along with any herbs and spices you plan to use. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. To build a rich flavor base, begin by sautéing your harder vegetables like carrots and celery in a tablespoon of olive oil for about 5 minutes. Next, pour in 6 cups of vegetable broth and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Now it's time to add the softer vegetables that cook quickly, such as zucchini, green beans, or spinach. Stir in 1/14, 5-ounce can of diced tomatoes and your preferred seasonings, like a half teaspoon of dried basil or oregano. Continue to simmer the soup for another 10 to 15 minutes, or until all the vegetables are perfectly tender. Before serving, always taste your soup and adjust the seasonings as necessary. You might want to add a pinch more salt, pepper, or a dash of hot sauce for extra flavor. Ladle the warm soup into bowls and garnish with fresh herbs, such as chopped parsley or cilantro. Enjoy your comforting and nutritious homemade vegetable soup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.